Hello my crypto family, this is KL Crypto Show, back with you guys another new video. Today I'm gonna do the ICO review for Securix IO. First thing first, I'm not financial advisor. The information, for the disclaimer, the information is not investment advice. Please do your own diligent research before investing and trading. So I always do best to keep my content concise and no BS around. So I hope you guys, love my channel, give me a lot of support, and everything. And let's get started. What is Securix IO? Is to make blockchain and cryptographic technology simple and accessible to a broader audience. We want a product that is simple and understandable. It is as simple as buying our Securix token and enjoying a passive monthly output share. What the benefit, or this ICO gonna solve what problem? I'm gonna tell you right here. There is always a certain level of risk involved with investing, but its token is at the more stable end of the crypto spectrum. With its token, you don't need to worry about market volatility, as its ROI is calculated on a year average Bitcoin price, and you are investing in our mining operation. This protects you from exposure to huge crypto valuation swings, meaning you can potentially earn a strong passive income with little to no knowledge about the complex underlying technology. Next, we're gonna go to team and advisor. Team, I think with my research, I think they just okay, not an all-star member. Advisor, I think they really have the strong advisor board, such as Naveen Kapoor, ICO advisor, Kaya Maloney, ICO advisor also. Next, we're gonna dig in the prototype. I do not see any MVP yet, and it may be a red flag over here for the investor who interested in this project. Roadmap. I think it's clear and easy to follow, but again, it does not mention, when the company gonna introduce the MVP. And on the roadmap, they say it will officially operate on February 2019. Now we go to the cap. So soft cap is like $3 million. Hard cap is about $55 million. I think it's a little bit too high, and the gaps between the soft cap and hard cap really far away. So next we're gonna dig in on the token. So like always, the token is ERC20, run on Ethereum platform. Total supply is 55 million Securix token. And they have 5 phase of crowd sale with bonus, rank from 5% to 20%. The early gonna get more bonus than later, and I did not see any lockup bonus. So as an investor, you need to really concern on this point. So next we're gonna go to the community. So on Twitter they have around 4,000 followers. On Facebook they have 7,000 followers. Their members are really active on Bitcoin Talk forum. The Telegram, they have around 20,000 members. So the hype is there for sure of this project. The partner Securix have like partners such as like 3V, Afen, PAM, NSX. So in conclusion, I always have, a little bit conclusion to, like to provide for you guys. I think short-term holding, I think it's positive because they have decent hype for this project, like the hype actually there, and strong advisor board. But the long-term holding, I'm gonna just back it to neutral because it have not have the MVP yet. The vision is not new, but mining will always have the market for itself. And they need to analyze more about the direct competitors. The team need to recruit members for PR and marketing too, because when I look at the team, I don't see any people had a specialize in marketing, and it's really important to put the ICO out there, and then had a good marketing team to bridge to the investor, the people who had an interest. At the end, thank you so much for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Donation link are below to help my channel grow, because I always do best keep my content concise and no BS. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like I say, hit the notification bell, share my video, comment on my video. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'm gonna see you guys next time.